Bin Dong Vietnamese restaurant. Fresh summer rolls just came out, man. Look at those shrimp. Almost look like a plastic bag is over them. Am I right? What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV. We're back. I'm back into this spot, man. Back here in Belleville, New Jersey. We are at the East West Plaza. Can you see it? We're back here, man. Last time we were here, we went right over there to Pigeon Peas. This time we're gonna go back here to Bin Dong Vietnamese restaurant. And this is in suggestion of So Good You Don't Need a Spoon. And the Mylan Caraballo suggested the Bin Dong Vietnamese restaurant, and they also suggested that we go in here and eat a bowl of pho, or is it po? P-H-O, of pho. We're gonna walk in here, man, and see what they got for us. Yo, we coming back to Max's. I went to Max's in Jersey City, but we definitely coming back there. Let's go in here, man. It looks packed, don't it? It's that Bin Dong Vietnamese restaurant. Hold up, there's the hours right there, y'all. Let's go in here and check it out. They got dine in, pick up, and take out. If there's music in here, y'all, it's a done deal. Some type of music going on. They got music, y'all. Check it out. Oh, I don't know what. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna sit in. Yeah, somewhere probably. Yeah, maybe over here. Okay, thank you. So we gonna go ahead and sit down, y'all, away from the music. Oh, it sounds better. Right there. How do you pronounce the name of the restaurant?
No, I told you.
Vinu?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get the pho. Do the house combination. Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna get 16, y'all, the house combination. You got the shrimp?
The shrimp one, we just have the summer roll shrimp, the soft one with the rice paper.
We get the shrimp. You don't have dumplings though, right?
No, we don't.
Okay. I'll take a hot tea, yes.
I can try it.
Okay, y'all, it was a bad YouTuber today. I actually came out of the house without my microphone, but we gonna make this work, man. I'm not going all the way back home. And I live only about 9 minutes from here, but I ain't going back. We doing this now. Okay, y'all, I just got some delivered. It looks like some veggies and some sprouts and lime, and those look like jalapenos, man. So, is this the salad? This ain't the salad, man. This is gonna go with some type of soup. That's a soup spoon, right? So let's just be patient and wait for the rest of the food to come out. Okay, y'all, the fresh summer rolls just came out, man. Look at those shrimp. Look how those shrimp are packed into that dough, man. It almost looks like the dumpling dough. We're gonna check it out though, and it has some type of. I got my sauce there. The shrimp rolls. These are spring shrimp rolls, y'all. Almost look like a plastic bag is over them. Am I right? Oh, we got more stuff coming, y'all. Here it is. Here comes the main dish. Here comes the main dish, y'all. It's the pho. Check it out. Look at that, man. Hold on. We need a real good view of it. Yo, that was really quick, man. I've been here like maybe 7 minutes waiting. Look like it's got them onions on there. Those scallions are in there. I call them scunions too sometimes. And I got these veggies over here too. The sprouts, the jalapenos. We got the lime right there. And then I got these shrimp. Look at this. Look at this, man. Look at this. We're gonna use that sauce, man. This is cold too to the touch, just FYI. And of course, you can see the steam coming off the food. Let's go in for it. Let's go into it. All right, let's go into these first. Let's check it out. Just had peppermint in them too. The spring shrimp, spring rolls. Let's dip it in the sauce. Also has rice in there. Look at that. This is turning out to be a whole meal. I gotta dip it in the soup, man, in the pho. Okay, the shrimp spring roll is delicious with the sauce. Okay, just eating them without the sauce, but with the sauce, they're delicious. Without the sauce, their taste just tastes like, you know, there's not really flavor in them. Just tastes super fresh though. When I dip them in this soup, oh my goodness, to the third power, man, that really enhances it. This is cold, just to let you know, the appetizer, the shrimp spring roll is actually cold, but there is a lot of shrimp in there. I want to just drop this in the soup, but I'm not. Add this sauce to it. We're going for the soup now. The pho. The broth on here is delicious. I want to taste the meat now. This brisket meat. Okay, those slices of brisket meat are really tender and delicious, man. This soup is the bomb. Lots of noodles. Let's see what else is in here, man. There's a lot of meat in here. I'm about to pound these veggies on that they gave me. We're gonna start over with the jalapenos. And some sprouts. I gotta see what this is. What is this? That's pepper. Basil? This may be basil. Does anybody know? Is that basil? Look at this fatty piece of meat right there. See that fatty piece of meat? Now, what's that right there? What's in sauce? They got sauces over here. Let's see what's happening. Oh, this is some type of hot pepper sauce here. I want to taste it first. Let's see what that's all about. That's like a vinegary hot pepper sauce. Then you have this one here. This is hot chili sauce. Oh, that one was really spicy. We want to mix that one with the soup. Oh wow, we're just gonna put that much in there. Wow, that was really spicy. This meat is so tender. Okay, here's the verdict. The pho is really good. Those slices of brisket they have in there are delicious, very tender. When I added the sprouts, and I believe that's basil, it really enhances the flavor. This right here, I would say is just a tad bland, but when I add that hot sauce to it, it makes it perfect. These shrimp rolls, I just need you to know they are bland. There's no flavor. I mean, I taste the shrimp, delicious shrimp. But when you add this, whatever type of nut sauce this is, they have nuts in there. Oh my goodness, that really brings out the flavor. The garden shrimp roll. Let's do that again. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, that sauce brings those garden shrimp rolls out. This spot right here, I would give them, especially for my type of food I eat, and I really like the taste of this, I'm gonna give them a 7.5 to an 8. All right. So it's Thai basil, y'all. That's what this is. I know my stuff, man. I know my stuff. Oh, did I say I know my stuff? Y'all crazy. Thai basil. Has that wild taste to it. Has that wild taste. Just think of peppermint, right? That little wild taste you get from peppermint. See those shrimp spring roll gone. Soup mostly gone. Tastes very fresh. Everything was in it was fresh. Everything here was super fresh. This was a little bland, but once you add that hot sauce, man, add a little of this sauce, it just picks it right up. And that's what it is, man. An 8 is not shoddy neither. An 8 is a good number in my opinion. I know I said 7.5 to 8. Let's give it an 8, because I've almost eaten all of the meat. The total was $23, y'all. $23. 23. Well, that's it, man. I'm gonna sit here and eat. This is your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I love you, cats. I'll put the address and everything up here. Anyway, see you guys at the next one. Peace.